Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by launching PowerPoint and creating a new file so you can work without interruptions. Once opened, pick blank or a template that matches your goal. Templates speed layout decisions. Make sure to set slide size early, choose 16:9 for screens or customize for print. Save right away with a clear name and location so Auto Recover has a baseline. Now you have a file and layout. Next, you'll add structure and key content on slides efficiently. You now create and organize content across slides to tell a clear story. Start by adding slides with appropriate layouts, title, 2-column, or blank, and use placeholders to keep spacing consistent. Insert images, charts, and text boxes. Format each element with alignment guides to maintain visual balance. Once done, open Slide Master to apply a unified font, color palette, and logo so all slides match automatically. This saves edits later and keeps your presentation professional throughout. You finish by rehearsing and exporting with confidence so your audience sees a polished result. Run Slideshow to test transitions and timings, then adjust animation order as needed. Make sure fonts and images display correctly. Export to PDF for handouts or to MP4 if you need a self-playing video, and use compressed media when file size is high. If something breaks, reapply the Slide Master or relink missing assets. That quick repair often fixes display problems before delivery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.